There is a forest. All the cowherd boys are playing with Krishna.
वने अगहनाम राक्षस अस्ति.
There is a demon called Aghasur in the forest.
सः कृष्णस्य समीपम् आगच्छति.
He comes closer to Krishna.
सः कृष्णं पश्यति.
He looks at Krishna.
एष कृष्ण वा एष लघुबालकः.
Is this Krishna? He is such a small boy.
अहं सरलतया कृष्णं खादामि. महाराज कंसः प्रसन्नं भवति.
I can easily eat him out. Maharaj Kams will be very happy with me.
तस्य हास्यं गुहा एव भवति.
His mouth becomes like a cave.
किमर्थं भयभीतः? कृष्ण अस्माकं सखा अत्र अस्ति.
Our best friend Krishna is here.
अतः चिन्ता मास्तु.
Don't worry.
चलतु वयं सर्वे गच्छामः.
We all will go. Come.
सर्वे गोपाः अघासुरस्य मुखे प्रविशति.
All the cowherd boys entered Aghasura's mouth.
कृष्णः अपि सर्वं जानाति.
Krishna knows everything.
सः अपि अघासुरस्य मुखे प्रविशति.
He also enters Krishna's mouth. Aghaha Krishnam Khadati.
कृष्णः विशालः भवति.
Krishna becomes bigger and bigger.